This video will go over the report recommendations published by the EMCX in June 2024, and will provide recommended videos to coincide with each subsection. These recommendations aim to help users determine which report will best suit their needs. The EMCX periodically publishes FUDSChem newsletters and FUDSChem announcements. These can be found at FUDSChem.com before logging in under Resources, Newsletters. Use the search bar to look for recommended reports. You can right-click the file name to see options on downloading it, or left-click it to open the PDF in a new tab. The report recommendation attachment includes several sections, organized by topic. For example, the data entry section, submission status subsection, answers the question, how do I check the status of my data submittals? The recommended report is found under Reports, ADR and Submission Reports, and is named Submission Log. Let's go to our FUDSChem window. We can navigate to the report by going to Reports, ADR and Submission Reports. Then, we'll find Submission Log. All of our reports will include drop-downs to help you pinpoint data. We'll fill out the drop-downs and then click View Report. This report shows us the status of our data. Statuses are defined at the bottom of a footnote. All of our reports can be saved in various formats by clicking on the floppy disk icon. For more information on the Submission Log report, please refer to our Where's My Data video, linked in the description. Let's go back to the report recommendations. While this guide helps you know which report to select, we have many videos that give more information on how to use these reports. For the data entry section, create a file for upload subsection. Refer to our data entry tutorials playlist, specifically the flat file tutorials. For the submission status subsection, refer to our event tracking reports overview video, our Where's My Data video, and our library index report and library search video. For the data validation section, refer to our ADR and submission reports overview video and our supporting validation reports video. For the data review and approval section, EQAP subsection, please refer to our environmental setup reports overview videos and our UFP-QAP worksheets overview video. For the chemistry and geology subsections, refer to our government personnel tutorials playlist, which includes videos that go over how to review various data types using the reports. For information on how to identify suspect data, refer to our Quality Data Locations video. For the project management section, please refer to our Event Tracking Reports Overview video and our Project Tracking Reports Overview video. The Ready to Use Reports section lists reports that can be used as final deliverables. For the EQAP, FUDSChem provides exports of certain worksheets to use in your hard copy UFP-QAP. Please refer to our UFP-QAP worksheets overview video. For the chemistry subsection, please refer to our chemistry reports overview video and our data usability assessment reports overview video. For the geology subsection, refer to our Geology Reports Overview video. Don't forget to subscribe to the FUDSChem YouTube channel for more tutorial videos. All of the tutorials and playlists mentioned during this video are linked in the description below. Lastly, if you have questions or comments, feel free to contact us at fuds.support@synectics.net. Thank you.